We are here, we are here, we are here. It's an amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos are entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Okay, guys, we are marking up KSS. Look at what's going on in the market. We are on a monthly time frame. We can see that price is in that consolidation. It's working its way sideways, bouncing up and down. We can see that price like it's in near the midpoint. So let's work with price action. Price action, last candle in the market is a bullish candle. Look like it's working its way up. It did engulf the previous area here. And it's about to engulf this area here. And it can close this area here and push that market up. So market like it's showing as in the uptrend. We got to see what's going on in that market as we walk down. You still have levels to break. Price action, high is high. Price action, low is low. Midpoint in the middle. We can see price is right above our midpoint. But the market area was retested a few times. So there's also a pattern in that area. And also we can check out to see where price is coming from. Where price is coming from, it's coming from a multiple pushes down to that bottom. Market spiked down to the bottom, came back for a retest, and it spiked multiple times and pushed back up. On this structure of the monthly time frame, we look at a double bottom, market pushed up. Also, we got another pattern here with a little bit of structure, which will be the break and retest. So we're looking for entry for some type of engulfing pattern. You see that market's going to push up, push down, or continue to consolidate sideways. Headed down to the weekly time frame. Checking out price action. Last candle in the market is a bullish candle. Market price looks like it's about to close out above all this area here that can push this market up. The only thing I'll be looking for the market to break either is with this candle or the next candle. I want the price to break these wicks, push that market up. There's also a structure of a pattern at that area of support below the price. And let's see what it is. We have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Retest, market pushed up once, retest, market pushed up twice, retest, market pushed up for the third time. Re-push this to the top, so we look for a break and retest for that market push up for that fourth time. So we're going to see if the market's going to fully break this area here and then work its way up. Or is market's going to run into that area of resistance where we won't get the push up of the area of resistance. We'll have multiple pushes to the top, where it's 1, 2, maybe 3, 4. This will be the fifth push to the top. So if market doesn't break with this one, this is 5 pushes to the top. We can push that market down. 5 is exhaustion. Headed down to the daily. Daily identifying bearish, bullish candle, engulfing pattern, price action, engulfing the full previous side. Even the bodies of the peak of this area showing is very dominant for that market to push up. So we're going to see what's going on in this area. This market's running into an area of resistance or not. Headed down to the 4-hour. Okay, did run into area resistance. We have that market tagging that area of resistance twice. So let's draw it out. Market's coming from, and it's just this area here. Market's coming from that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Retest, market pushed up once, and price action came to retest right now with a little bit of a spike up. So we on to the second push up to that top of resistance. Is market going to break? Is it going to push back down? Is it going to consolidate? We don't know yet. Headed down to the 3-hour time frame. 4-3 identifying the same thing. 4-3. Now we're on a 2-2 extended candles, side by side consolidation. This is actually a pattern. We're going to use the same previous resistance line we found on, I think, the 4-hour time frame. Excuse me. Yeah, the 4-hour time frame. So tag that line for the resistance. Market can't break. Price action candle wick is tagging that to a T. Checking out price action support areas for the bottom of the candles of the price action second to last candle, drawing up to that area of resistance. What pattern is we did? We just drew in this area, which is a wedge pattern. So we can currently see after that market spiked up from that triple bottom, we received market spiked up once, came back down, market spiked up twice, came back down, market spiked up 3 times, came back down. So market price is either at a double top and a retest or 3 pushes to the top for a triple top. So we're going to identify what's going on the 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame, still bouncing extended candles. We formed more candles to the side. Markets in a small price actions in a small doji, which we'll be looking for an engulfing pattern to break that doji to the upside downside, or this market will continue to create more dojis sideways. We have another candle forming sideways in the market. It's not big enough to engulf the previous candle of the doji, so the market doesn't go anywhere. Market's still in that consolidation. Price action is a weak candle or whatever it is. Price action on the 30-minute is a hammer. So let's draw it out. We have some structure here. There's a lot that went on in this area of resistance. So we're going to tag as much as we can. So coming up in green, we look at that as a first leg. Oh, coming down in red, it's a retest. Second leg. Coming up in green is the third leg. Coming back down is the fourth leg of the red. So we already on, if the market's going to go up, we are on the first leg, second leg, third leg. We're on that third leg, so we're going to see the market's going to spike up from that third leg to create that fourth leg. That's going to create that W formation. After that, we know we're going to receive. After that, if that doesn't happen, then what's next? We may receive, draw this out. So as market's coming, tagging that top area, coming up in green first leg, coming down in red second leg, third leg, market push down for that fourth, market can fully break that resistance, break and retest, and market work his way down further. So that means we're coming from what? Price action coming from a what? 1 spike up to the top, 2 spike up to the top, market's coming from a double top and a retest if price pushes down. Down to the 15-minute time frame. Consolidation, side by side candle. Price action is a weak candle. 5-minute time frame. We have some type of bullish candle forming. We didn't receive the engulfment from price action to the second last candle. For this market to push up, we will want to see price break second to last candle wick, or price to break. For a clear drop down to this bottom, I will want to see price break the bottom third to last candle or sixth to last candle, break these wicks, that market to drop down. So we're going to see the market is going to touch that resistance, break down further, or it's going to respect that support, break back up. Headed down to the 5-minute, the 3-minute, side by side, market's a consolidation type of retest. Patterns trying to form, seeing it right now. See that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Market's at that retest currently. Price just grew. Is it going to push up for that double bottom in the retest, or that resistance going to be respected for that first leg, second leg, third leg? Market push down. Once market push down to that area of that low to that lowest peak of that doji, we look for market to finally break, retest that bottom, work its way down further. Headed down to the 1 minute. Let's see what we received. We have an engulfing pattern that may engulf second to last candle. If that does happen, I can push that market down before a clear drop. You want price to break the third to last candle. You want to buy the close below the third to last candle wick for that market to break down. Very important information, guys. Please study and review Forex pattern cheat sheet and also breakout and retest strategy. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily.